Hey everyone, Hong here, and once again, welcome back to the channel and another camping adventure. I'm at Changi Point Ferry Terminal, ready to head out to Pulau Ubin. It's been about 15 months since I've last visited that beautiful tropical island. On this trip, I'll be spending the night for the very first time at the Mamam Campsite. The time now is 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Now we had a torrential thunderstorm earlier this morning and are expecting to have some more rain later today and tomorrow. But the weather right now has cleared up, so let's hop on board a bumboat to take that 15-minute journey to the island. So here we are at Pulau Ubin, and the next stage of our journey is to head to the northeast corner of the island. Here we are at the Mamam Campsite. Well, here we are at the Mamam Campsite. It's a pretty small campsite. It seems to be only about 150 meters in length, but it's right up front by the water and you get a very comfortable, cool sea breeze. And for now, it seems like I'm the only person here, so let's hope it stays that way. Having said that, it is about 3:30 p.m. right now, and I think it's time for us to set up the tent because there is a little bit of a drizzle. I'm not sure if it's going to become a thunderstorm style rain later on today, but let's just be safe and deploy the tent. Since this isn't a stealth wild camping adventure like my past couple of camping trips, I decided to take with me my non-stealthy, bright purple Naturehike Mongar 2-person tent for a bit of conspicuous luxury. As for my sleep system, my Nemo Tensor sleeping pad, as well as my Sea to Summit inflatable pillow. If you've been following the channel for a while, you may recall on my last wild camping adventure that it was raining super heavily and I did not get a chance to fully experience my Nemo Tensor sleeping pad. I'm really hoping to properly experience it tonight. I'll share more details in the morning. Cook system wise, my Bushbox LF titanium stove from Bushcraft Essentials, as well as my foldable aluminum table. But before we go in search for dry twigs and branches to fire up tonight's dinner, I think I've earned myself a beer. Cheers. Whew. Firewood's been processed, 2 beers in the system, and we're about 1 hour away from sunset. It is amazingly peaceful here, and aside from a few friendly cyclists and joggers, I think I'm gonna be the only one here tonight, which is just the way I like it. Another thing I really like is grilled Wagyu for dinner. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get my preferred Japanese Karubi cuts, but I was able to score some Australian Wagyu Ribeye. Now there's no cell service here at the Mamam Campsite, or is it the Mamam? Mamam? I'm not too sure. But yeah, no cell service, which is a good thing because it really allows you to connect with nature. Let's fire up the bush box and get dinner going. dripping. Dinner was so good. Right now I'm just sitting here looking out at the night sky, listening to the waves and enjoying the cool sea breeze. There were a few wild boars running around in the back and also a light drizzle happening right now. But aside from that, blissfully peaceful. Just checked the weather forecast and it seems like this drizzle we're having right now will extend into the night and potentially into the morning. I guess we'll find out soon enough. For now, it is getting late, so I'm gonna retire into the tent and get ready for bed. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning! The Nemo Tensor sleeping pad is a game changer for me. I cannot imagine myself going back to the other sleeping pads that I've been using. Not that they were bad, it's just that this is much better. How well did I sleep? Well, I slept for 7 hours, which means it was a good night's rest. There's Nemo Tensor sleeping pad and the Cedar Summit inflatable pillow. Awesome stuff. I am really enjoying this campsite, this Mamam Campsite. I guess I got lucky because I am the only person that camped here last night, so peace and quiet. Listening to the sound of the waves just puts me to bed super fast, super easy. But it is getting close to 11 a.m. Again, testament of how well I slept. I think it's time for me to pack up and head home. Alright, that's me all packed up. Did a quick walkabout to make sure that I don't leave anything behind, and of course to clear out my trash. Remember to leave no trace. Pack it in, pack it out. I got a pretty long walk ahead of me back to the jetty to take the bumboat back to Singapore, and I just heard thunder, which means it's gonna rain pretty soon. So I'm gonna sign off right here. Thank you so much for joining me. Please do consider subscribing to the channel and to follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.